What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. So, yesterday when we were talking about Baby Doge, we are just talking about whether or not Baby Doge is dead and what it has coming for the future and what Baby Doge needs to do to become successful. But today we're on more of a lighthearted topic with Baby Doge. We're just going to go ahead and do the technical analysis for this Bitcoin and go over some new exchange listings. So, not too much of a deep topic today. But, anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And leave a comment in the comment section. And if you want these trading indicators, check out the Chart Prime link in the description. But let's get started with this. So, first things first, we're really staying very, very close to the support area, but we already dropped a little bit below it now. And it's looking like we're probably going to go a little bit lower from here as well. And I actually mentioned inside of the video yesterday that we're probably going to end up pulling all the way back down here to 1320. So 1320 is probably where we're pulling down to next. And then from there we have 1250. So, I mean, I've made all these other calls, so I think this one might actually happen as well. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Just do what you want to do. But following these indicators is definitely looking like we're going down here to the 1320 area or down to the 1250 area after that. And then the bottom of the momentum wave band is 1130. So it's really three different levels that we could touch here. And if you want to know what trading indicators I'm using for TradingView, this is the Chart Prime indicators. You can go ahead and check that out. Link in the description and inside the comment section. But anyways, on the Prime oscillator as well, you can see lots of buying volume came in, and that was from here, from 1380 up to where we are now, 1421. But we're getting rejected again, so now we're probably about to pull back down just a little bit more. So I would say, yeah, definitely prepare for a little bit more of a pullback. And yeah, we're going to be going down here to these levels. And then once we reach, around 1320, 1250, or 1120, one of these supports, then we'll have that bounce back, trying to get back to the top of the momentum wave band, trying to get back up to 1600 like how we did before. So it's going to take some time, but we'll just have to wait for it. Now, moving on from that, we do have this over here. So we're up 1.6% in the last 24 hours for Baby Doge. That's $983,000 in 24-hour trading volume. The trading volume is still extremely low for Baby Doge. That's extremely low for Baby Doge. So we need to get that up. But yeah, we'll see if we can do it. Looking at Bitcoin though, Bitcoin is actually breaking out of this area here. So it's pretty interesting to see it breaking out of that pattern. And now it kind of got rejected here at the top of that resistance. Couldn't get past 31K. Got stuck pretty much at 30.9K. Um, but, well, actually, that was 30.7. But like back here, how we couldn't get above 30.9, that's what we need to do. We need to get above 30.9 so we can get to that 31. And then that top of the bottom of the momentum wave band up here at 31.9K, the bottom of this top area at 31.9K means we just have to get past 32K because 32K, major resistance for Bitcoin. Now, we've been up here for a while. If you look here on the Prime oscillator, the selling volume hasn't really came into full effect like it did back here. We didn't have a huge drop like we did back here. We went from 30.9K all the way down to 30K. And that's probably what's going to happen next. It looks like it's just preparing for it, and see how it hasn't just had that sharp drop downwards. Yeah, it looks like it's preparing for it, but if you look down here, this has been on the steady uptrend on the oscillator, meaning the next drop isn't going to be as large. The next drop will probably be around down to here, so it's not going to be as large. So we're probably going to end up seeing it going back down to this green line around 30.1K before it goes back up. So we'll see what happens there. If not, then it could go all the way down to this area here, the 29K, to that support. And then the top of the bottom area of the momentum wave band comes to 28.1K, which is another possibility if we are to break these other areas. But like I said, if you want to know these trading indicators, check out Chart Prime, link in the description. But yeah, let me know what you think about this Bitcoin technical analysis. Do you think it's really going to go down a little bit more? Or do you think we're just going to have a large pump up to that next momentum wave band? So yeah, let me know in the comments. Now, moving on from the technicals and stuff, we now have 1,763,637 holders. We are up about 60 to 70 holders from yesterday, somewhere around there. I would say like 60 holders from yesterday. So yeah, we got some new holders in, and yeah, that's all good. 2 weeks ago, we had 1,761,209 holders. So 2,000 holders inside of 2 weeks. Could be higher, but considering our low volume, it's pretty good. It's decent for the low volume that we have. And also, we have this new exchange listing on Tacito X, but this is for the ERC20. So the deposits are now open for ERC20 Baby Doge, and now we're open for Baby Doge to USDT on Ceto X. So yeah, that's a new listing here for Baby Doge. All good there. And also over here, the ERC20 Baby Doge is now also live on Huobi. I think it's been live on Huobi actually. They just keep announcing it over and over again, but it looks like they're live again. I really feel like they've announced this at least 10 times. But yeah, it's live on there. So I guess if you want to get it on there, you can find it on there as well. Now, looking at Baby Doge Swap, 29.02 million inside of USD, inside of the liquidity for Baby Doge Swap, which is still pretty low if you look at where Baby Doge was prior to all this back in February. It's still pretty low, and we had a lot of liquidity back in April as well. But yeah, it's been on a decline for a while. But the volume now for the last 24 hours is 219K. Yeah, 3.2K inside of last 24 hours burn, coming out to 2.3 trillion. All that good stuff. And then the farming, our farms are looking pretty low, and that's why we're seeing the other things are lower too. But yeah, 1.9 million over here inside of liquidity. 2.3 million there in that liquidity. So yeah, liquidity looks a lot lower. I've seen some people were mentioning that Augie was no longer up here, and I don't see it anywhere. So yeah, those people are right. I don't see Augie anywhere here. It was here, but for some reason it's not here anymore. And I don't know what happened to people's money if they had Augie. Like, I don't know what happened to that, which kind of sets an alarm for me. It's like any farm could just randomly disappear from Baby Doge Swap and you just never get that money back. Like, what is this? I want to know, for the people that had the Augie farm, did you get your money back, and is it gone for you? Because it's gone for me and it's gone for a lot of other people. And did you get that money back if you did have it? Because I remember I had a few dollars in there, but hey, I guess the few dollars is gone now because I don't see it anywhere. So yeah, let me know. Like, did you get the money back? Is it up there for you? Does it show that it's still there for you? Because it does not show it here for me, and it does not show it there for other people as well. So it's looking like it just disappeared, which is a red flag. I want to know, like, is it still here or not? But yeah, anyways, moving on from this, we do have this over here. We're at rank 166 on DeFi Llama. That's 1.63% up in the last 24 hours, 1.72% up in the last 7 days. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you all today. Let me know what you think about this, and still, let me know what you think about the Augie situation. Is it gone for you? And also, if you want the trading view indicators that I was showing earlier, check out the link in the description for Chart Prime, best trading view indicators on the market. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None is financial advice. Hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.